Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Quran Education. Lesson 2 is Dua for increase in knowledge. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. Rabbi zidni ilma. Again, Rabbi zidni ilma. Rabbi zidni ilma. ए मेरे रब मेरे इल्म में इज़ाफ़ा फरमा. My Lord, increase me in knowledge. Jazakallah. See you in the next lesson.